Hey, welcome to another Battling Grammar video. In this video we're going to look at the second special rule that some of the cards and the monsters possess, and that is Subdue. So some of the monsters that you can summon into the world of grammar are either so steadfast or can dampen the spirits and the attacks of the opposing player. The opposing player's monsters, really. This is really a defensive ability. It curtails some of the attack power of those most powerful cards, as the monsters that possess them are very hardy indeed. So let's have a look at how this special rule works. So we've got a bit of a game set up here. We can see that at the top we have the blue player, let's call them B, and at the bottom let's have the red player, as in red. Now at the moment you can see that the game is already underway. The blue player has got two cards out. They've got a verb and an adverb that are connected, and the red player have got two cards out as well, a preposition and a noun. So if we just have a look at this preposition, the water deck preposition, you'll see at the top there is this wave symbol. Now this tells us that this preposition, this nasty crustacean, has the power Subdue. Now it is a defensive ability, so it only activates when the card is activated defensively. So it only works when the card is activated on the defense. Okay, so let's have a look at how Subdue works. Now let's for a moment imagine that it is the blue player's turn. And the blue player has laid down their cards and they've chosen to attack, and they're going to attack with both of their cards. Well, they have to because it's a connected card. Now the red player is going to choose to defend with their connected cards, the preposition and the noun. So once again, like normal, you would compare the attack value of the attacking player, which in this case is the blue player, and the defense of the cards that belong to the defending player, in this case the red player. But before we do that, we need to take into account what this Subdue rule does. And what it does is, on the defense, it will reduce the attack power of any card that is attacking it, that is over 10 to 10. So if we have a look at this adverb, for instance, it has an attack power of 12, so it is over 10. Therefore, the Subdue special rule means that this card's attack power is reduced to 10. So any card that has an attack power greater than 10, it is reduced to 10, unless it would normally be otherwise. So this would be reduced to 10 attack power, and this works for any cards that are attacking in the group. So the verb here as well also has an attack power of 12, and this would then be reduced to 10. And then we would go and work out how much attack and defense these monsters are doing. So the blue player, who is attacking, would attack with 10 and 10 instead of 12 and 12. So they would have an attack power of 20. And then we would work out normally the defense of the defending player, in this case the red player. Their noun has a defense of 8, and their preposition has a defense of 4, which gives them a defense of 12. Now of course we need to activate these monsters by speaking their power words. So for the attacking player, they need to give a verb and an adverb. Let's go with strutted. Ooh, bit of a jump there. Strutted confidently. So we have got our verb strutted and our adverb confidently. And then the red player will need to activate their card by providing a preposition and a noun. So let's go for under the bridge. Great song. Okay, they've both activated their cards, so now we would have to calculate how much attack has got through. And And in this case, it'd be 20, take away the 12 defense, which gives us a total of 8 damage, still affecting the red player. Let's assume that they are on full health, so their health would be reduced to 12. So the Subdue special rule reduces the attack of very powerful cards. So any card that has an attack power greater than 10, their attack power is reduced to 10. So in this case, this preposition has saved the player 4 damage, as it stopped 4 damage by subduing these cards. And that is how the Subdue special ability works. This ability activates when the monster with it is chosen to defend. Any monster whose attack power is greater than 10 that attacks a monster with Subdue will always count their attack power as 10, unless it would normally be lower. And that's what the Subdue special ability does. So it's a defensive one. You use it with monsters to try and curtail the huge attacks of some of those more powerful monsters out there. Okay, until next time, keep battling, keep grammaring, and have fun. See you next time.